现在我们参观这个雪茄的农场，这是晒烟的地方。The oldest son of the big guy.
What is this? Seeds of tobacco.
Oh.
One of the smallest seeds in the world, and then you have to let them dry out. To get
Remove the flower.
Yeah, to get more seeds, and also, when you remove the flower, it helps a lot the plant. Because the plant won't grow more.
Oh.
Yeah, and the leaves are going to get bigger and wider.
Now he's gonna teach us how to make a cigarette with the tobacco leaves. Okay, let's see how to make it.
他哪儿的话都会说，导游说他3、4年前不会说英语，3、4年前的时候导游需要翻译的，现在他完全会说英语了。
哇，so many。这我得种一棵是弄不了一根烟呢，是吧？
To make a cigar are about 4 or 5 leaves. It depends on the size of the cigar you need. I mean, you want.
Okay, 4 or 5.
Put 3 inside, and the second one we use it to make the shape. It's pretty much the same in the cigar factory. Filler and binder to make the shape.
Sí, copia.
Here we have the shape. Now I'm going to select the leaf
Selecting a leaf.
for wrapping. This one must be softer than the other one. Dime, bola. Yo echándole rabo, coño, no me digas eso. You see, here we have the shape, and now I'm going to add the dress, the wrapper. If you go to, or if you visit a cigar factory, you're going to see pretty much the same procedure to make a cigar. The only machine we use is the press machine. That's just to make it more compact. But if you use the press machine, you must use a draw machine to check the airflow, the airflow inside. So if you prepare a cigar in the traditional way, always is going to have a good draw. That's why there you have a Cuban cigar. And this one is not ready to smoke. You need to wrap it in 4 or 5 days to dry it out. And then it's gonna be ready. That's where you take it.
Thank you, mi amor.
Ah, mi vida. Thank you, mi vida.
Okay, good.